In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start on your Windows 11 computer. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it, then type Control Panel. Once it appears in the results, click to open Control Panel. Inside Control Panel, click on Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side of the screen, click Change Adapter Settings. Now find your Wi-Fi adapter from the list. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Click it once to highlight it, then click the Properties button. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the Preferred DNS Server field, type 8.8.8.8. Then move to the alternate DNS server field and type 8.8.4.4. Once both are entered, click OK to save the settings. Close any remaining windows that are open. Now click the Start menu again and open Settings. Inside Settings, look at the left side and select Network and Internet. Then click Wi-Fi, select your current internet connection. Make sure metered connection is turned off. If it is on, switch it off. Now go back to Network and Internet. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Click on Data Usage. Here you will see which apps are using the most data on your system. Review the list carefully. If you see apps you do not need, go ahead and close them or uninstall them if necessary. Now try your download again and check if the speed improves. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.